Welcome back to Senior Savvy Cannabis. I'm Catherine Goldberg. Today, it's Germination Day. So Chase gave me my homework and I understood the assignment. So we are here to germinate my seeds. So the first thing we need to do before we even get started is make a little hole in the dirt, in the soil, so that we can put this other soil on top. I'm not exactly sure why, so we're gonna ask Chase next time we talk to him. But he said to take like a little fistful, and then we're just gonna do that. I think it has to do with, we don't want the roots to get too close to the nutrients because then they can get like newt burn. Those were words that he used. So, so we're gonna put a little of the soil on top, and then we're gonna mist the shit out of it, which is his technical instruction. And then we're going to make a tiny little hole that's no bigger than my fingernail, that deep, 1/4 of an inch. And then we're gonna put the seed in there, and then we're gonna mist, and then we're gonna cover it. So let's try this, okay. It is nice that he teaches us how to do it and doesn't hold our hand the whole time. Okay, so I think I have like a hole. It's like a fist-size hole. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this soil, okay? I think I want this much or so, okay. Okay, and then because when we mixed up all the nutrients in the soil, it's all in there. So I guess we're having more of like a clean slate for the seed to germinate. Okay, there's a reason Chase is the home grow coach and not me. Okay. Great. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of soil there. Okay, then we're gonna mist the shit out of it. This is a mister that we got from Amazon. It's kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna mist. That's cool. Okay, he said mist the shit out of it. So I'm gonna assume that means at least like 5 mists. This is cool. This isn't even like electronic, is it? Well, okay. I don't know, it's wet. Okay. Do you know there are so many benefits of getting your hands like in dirt? Like if you're depressed or anxious, gardening is a really effective therapy. So is therapy. Okay, cool. So we got this. This is gonna go over here. And again, we're using Coco Loco from FoxFarms. Okay. And then we have our triangle seed. Okay, kind of got them wet, but that's okay. Okay, let's see what it comes in. Oh, cute. Okay, oh, cute. Okay, so it comes in this little thing, tiny. And I'm gonna just put one in, and then maybe we're gonna save the other one for, I don't know, future reference in case we need it. If Chase were here, I would ask him if one seed is bigger than the other. Should we use the bigger one, or does it not even matter? I guess it doesn't matter. Yeah, they look the same. You know what? I'm going to use the bigger one. This is reminding me of like my schooling. Didn't go well either. Okay, great. So we got our seed, and then we got a finger, okay? And then we're going to put just up to my fingernail, okay? Really small. When I've tried this before, I was like putting it way too deep in, so that kind of explains a lot. Okay, and then we're gonna put the seed in the little hole, okay? And then we're gonna cover gently with the soil, okay? And then we're gonna mist the shit out of that. Okay, this is fun. Okay, and then we actually also use the Spider Farmer app to set up our schedule so we can monitor everything in here and make sure it's going well. Okay, so this is, I don't think we're not at a point where we can over moist, right? Okay, this bottle's kind of cool. Okay, great. And then we're gonna put this little makeshift dome on top of it to create a little greenhouse effect. So, ta-da. I will check it every day to make sure we're good. I'm expecting it to pop within a week. And I will get instructions from Chase on how often to moisten the soil and if I'm supposed to moisten under the cap thingy or just around it, because I'm not positive. But I will show you guys, and maybe we'll set up like a little once we get going, we'll set up a camera in here so we can actually like see the progress. But I'm excited to get started. Patience is a virtue, and it paid off.